Want to program your key fob for a 2009-2010 Chevy Traverse and save money? It's a simple DIY process that synchronizes the remote with your car's computer, letting you lock, unlock doors, open the liftgate, and trigger the panic alarm. All you need is your key fob, vehicle keys, and about 30 minutes. This method still works in 2025 and hasn't changed since the car was new. First, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the ignition off. Then insert the key and turn it to the on-run position. Engine not running, then back to off. Repeat this twice more, leaving the key in off on the third turn. Open and close the driver's door twice, leaving it open on the second close. Turn the ignition to on-run, then back to off. The vehicle should now be in programming mode. Doors may lock-unlock automatically. Once in programming mode, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 15 seconds until the doors cycle, confirming acceptance. Repeat for additional fobs as needed. Exit programming by turning the ignition to on-run and starting the engine. If it doesn't work the first time, repeat the process carefully. Common issues include weak fob batteries or interference from electronics. If the fob still fails, there may be a deeper vehicle problem requiring professional diagnosis. Remember that the car accepts up to 4 fobs, and the programming must be completed within 40 seconds. This DIY method is based on GM's original programming protocol. If issues persist, seek help from a trusted mechanic.